right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get on your underwear because we are back in the city of sin. We are here in Las Vegas today, so we are going to do a quick walkthrough tour of Caesars Palace here in Las Vegas. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, this walkthrough tour of another casino here on the Las Vegas Strip. So right now we're just leaving the Forum shop, coming up onto Caesars casino floor here. I did some time lapses and some slow-mo stuff for the Caesars Forums, some of the centerpieces and stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy that at the end of the video. If you guys make it all the way to the end of this one. Never realized how big Caesars actually is. I missed this whole back part of the casino when I walked through on the last one, so you guys will see an updated video here of Caesars and be able to see some of the things that we missed in the last walkthrough. So this video was requested by quite a few people, so we're going to do this one for you guys and continue to do some more on the Central Strip. So that's what we're planning on this trip, is Center Strip for Las Vegas, and doing all the filming of those. So I hope you enjoy that here, and there will be more to come here on this trip in Las Vegas. So self-parking Uber and valet are over to the right. Up over on my left, you'll see the sports book and things like that. The food court is up over on my right. We have a few different options here. So they have Smash Burger here, the Hell Guys. Looks like some ramen place, a pizza place, and a few other things up over here. We got a little taco place too. So I'll kind of walk on the outside, and then we'll take you over by the poker room and the sports book here at Caesars, and kind of wrap our way around the front with some more table games and some things like that. High limit slots are in the center, and they have a bunch of table games in the center here at Caesars as well. Pub Grill is up over to my right for Gordon Ramsay. So if you guys are looking for that, that's where it is here at Caesars. Towards the back and towards the Forum entrance. Over to the right is your Caesars reward counter, and also the towers if you stay in here. Tower elevators are back over there. Up on my right is the Vista Cocktail Lounge. Straight ahead of us is the poker room here at Caesars. So over this way, we'll take you down to Naboo Tower, Naboo Hotel, and the Castro Cigar Bar. We'll keep making our way over here towards the poker room and sports book. Bobby Flay's Mesa Grill is up over on my right, so if you guys missed that, I'll show you here in a second. Got a nice long bar right in front of Omnia. So if you look for Omnia Nightclub, that's where it is. There's the sports book here at Caesars, up over on my left-hand side there, guys. Take you down here through the Coliseum Way. This will take us kind of the back part of the entrance of Caesars. There's a bunch more casino gaming and table games that are coming up here. Just cut over here. There's a big seating lounge bar area up over on my right there. Seersucker, so this looks like a burger place or a restaurant place up over to my left, maybe steaks. over on my left, if you go that way, that'll take you out to the boulevard. We're going to continue going here.
How you guys doing?
Good about you? Got a bunch of table games in the middle here. We're going to work our way around to the right, or to the left, excuse me. That way we're not kind of sticking out like a sore thumb here. But enough to where we can get some filming done for you guys. After that dude was beelining towards me, I thought that'd be the end of it there. But that's not the case. So like I said, guys, there's a huge casino area here, all the way to my right. It goes all the way back there. We keep going towards the front here. Cool little Caesar statue that everybody always takes a picture with, right at the very center of the entranceway for Caesars. I'm gonna take you guys over to the check-in here. They also have this cool Caesars fountain up over in the check-in lobby area. So the lobby bar check-in area is up over here on the left-hand side. And since we haven't got stopped yet, we're going to continue going around to the back right and check out some of this casino floor. There's another high-end poker table area up over on my left-hand side here, as well as some table games down in the center floor. I love the chandelier lighting on the center part of Caesars here. Absolutely beautiful. Take you guys over to the Julius and Palace Towers, and the pool conference center and buffet is over here as well. Or if you're Jimmy, you call it buffet. But I think he'd know how to say his own name, so he knows a little bit better than I do. Sorry about that. I didn't realize they were coming up on the cashier cage. So up over on my left is the Julius Tower. We'll keep taking you back here. This will take you back to the pool and also the buffet area. It's a lot of noise for all the casino floor here. All right, sweet. So far, so good. Nobody said anything, so continue going here, guys. So this will take you out to the pool. So if you're going to the pool, and the Bacchanal buffet is right over on my left-hand side. So world-renowned buffet there, guys. Really, really good. So you'll definitely have to check out the Bacchanal here at Caesars. And then this will kind of take you up to the pool area and conference center and the garden chapels as well. So we'll kind of take you up that way. Over on the left, those escalators will take you up to the conference center and the ballrooms there.
Just wait.
So up on my left, and this will take us out to the pool area. I think after we get done with the pool area, this will conclude today's walkthrough of Caesars for you guys. And before I forget, guys, I actually did have some information on Caesars here too. So, will you hold this for 2 seconds? Hold this. Thank you. So guys, anyway, we'll continue our walk. Sorry about that. I had to grab some stuff out of my pockets for some reminders here. So Caesars was built August the 5th of 1966. This casino and resort has $4.2 million of the build cost, 3,976 rooms, and the most visited attraction here would probably be the Forum Shop. But this will take you out to the pool area here. And that's where we will leave off on this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Consider liking the video and share this with your friends and family. But as always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.